Hi, I'm Bob Cartus at Dawn's Appliances, and I'm here to share with you the information about my induction cooktop from Bosch. I cook at home with my Bosch induction cooktop. I like induction because it's faster, more responsive, and safer than any other way you can cook. You know, it's funny, I ask my customers sometimes when they come to the store, how do you cook? And you'll get responses like, oh, I cook with gas or I cook with electric. And I always tease them. I say, no, you don't. You cook with pans. How you get your pans hot is entirely up to you, but the fastest and best way to do it, in my opinion, is with induction. Induction cooking is a type of cooking unlike regular heat and regular gas and regular electric cooking. They use a series of coils underneath the ceramic glass cooktop that sends pulses of magnetic waves through pots and pans that a magnet can stick to. Stainless steel, cast iron, and it instantly transfers 90% of that energy directly to the pan. Induction cooking is better because, one, it's a lot faster. I can boil 2 cups of water in like 90 seconds on my cooktop, where it will take you normal double or triple that time with gas or electric. Number 2, it's very safe. It doesn't turn on until it senses a 4-inch in diameter metal surface. So if you're going to you can put your hand on, turn it on to high, and nothing's going to happen. Plus, there's no radiant heat transfer because most of the heat is going into the pan itself. So the best thing about induction cooking is it's so much easier to clean up than a regular cooktop is. With an electric cooktop, it gets blistering hot and things tend to char and stick to the surface. Not with induction. With gas, it tends to spatter. So you have all these little ridges and surfaces to clean across. I take 2 damp paper towels, a wet dish rag, and a dry dish towel, and in 45 seconds, I can have the gunkiest, dirtiest, grimiest cooktop showroom new in seconds. So, for ease of use, quality, reliability, and easy cleanup, I don't think you can do better than a Bosch cooktop.